Okay. Hello everyone! Have you ever been confused when communicating with speech disorder people? How to communicate with speech disorder people easily? Okay, in this meeting, I will introduce a technology to overcome this problem. First, let me introduce myself. I am Nadia Wartiningrum from Diploma of Telecommunication Technology, Telkom University. What I'm going to talk about today is Suara, a technology for speech disorder people. Did you know? The number of people with disabilities in Indonesia is 2,45%. In this number, there are people with speech disabilities amounting to 22,3%. Quite a lot, right? Persons whose speech disorder use nonverbal communication or sign language to communicate with other people, which is different with us. It causes difficult communication with speech disorder people. So what's the problem? The speech disorder people can express their feeling well. It might cause misunderstanding or sharing information. Then, they're hard to get a job because the conditions are considered unable to work optimally. At worst, they feel outraged, have no friend, then lead to loneliness that might have a bad ending. All this time, they can read on paper or smartphone to communicate with other people who can understand sign language, but it's less effective because it takes time to write and to read. So, technology exists to make things easier, include for people who speech disorder. Suara brings the concept of translation the sign language using the camera formation sensor, then change into a voice. The tool used to support this include webcam, OpenWRT, USB sound card, and speaker. The webcam. The function of the webcam is to take picture for sign language that is practiced by user. Then OpenWRT, this is Linux distribution for router device in the form of firmware which can change the router into a mini PC. Then USB sound card, this is a hard device computer and the function is processing data in the form of audio or voice, at least speaker. The function of the speaker is to reduce result processing by user by the CPU into audio or voice. Okay, system planning. The design of the tool is like this picture. On the user, there is camera, sound, OpenWRT router, and on the analyst system, it consists of a database which is connected via Wi-Fi. How the system works? The system starts by connecting the user system and the analyst use system via Wi-Fi. If it is connected, the camera will detect the sign language made by user via webcam, and the data obtained is then sent to the analyst system. The analyst system will look for whether the data sent is in the database or not. If yes, audio instructions are sent to the speaker. If data is not there, then there is no instruction for the speaker, but wait for the image from the camera to arrive the database. Okay. To perfect this tool, testing needs to be done. The test will be carried out the several steps, that is sound, imagery, and application. First one, voice test conducted to ensure that voice data can come out from the speaker. Then, image test. This is conducted to determine the level of accuracy of data processing. At least application test. This is conducted to find out whether the application can work properly. This application is designed to make it easier for speech disorder people to communicate with others. In addition, this application is also designed to be easy to carry in dynamic or static conditions, that making it very easy to use. Okay, this is reference. And any question? Okay, thank you.